अब यहाँ पे जाऊँगी मैं। Sharing with you some affordable winter outfits for like this weather, which is snow. So this video is specially for people who have never been in snow and who are completely new. So this will help basically students and other people who have never been in snow, and it will give the main goal of this video is to give you an insight into what you should be wearing to keep you warm and what are the affordable options available. So yeah, but before that, my name is Rumi and welcome to my channel. If you are here for the first time and if you love this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also please share it with your friends and family. Plus, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first and foremost step during snow season or any winter season is layering. So you need to layer your outfits. First, which I prefer, is wearing a cowl neck or high neck sweater. I guess you guys already have this kind of sweater, and if you don't have, then please get one. It's quite affordable. I got this from Gap, I think during some sale season for $20 or $25. So yeah, these are quite affordable, and also you should keep in mind that it covers your thighs so that you are quite warm. So the next important step in layering is a long jacket like this. This particular one is called a teddy jacket, and this one I bought for $40. And this one I bought for $40 from Shein.com, which I think is quite affordable because the same teddy jackets are available on Mango or Zara websites for $200. And I think if you can get such a good jacket for $40, then that's a very good buy. So yeah. And the next important thing is a cap, which is very important, a winter cap. So the one which I'm wearing has a fleece lining. I hope you guys can see because it's a white cap. So yeah, and it looks like this. It has a pom-pom which makes it look very cute. Yeah, and it covers your ears also, so that's quite a good option. This one I got from AliExpress for $3 to $4. So again, that's quite a affordable option. The next step in any layering process is a good pair of gloves. So these one again have a very good fleece lining. I hope you guys can see. And these are touch screen gloves. So you can use your phone while wearing these. And yeah, again I got these from AliExpress for I guess $4 or $5, something like that. I don't remember exactly, but I will link all these products in the description box below don't forget to check them out. And yeah, next important thing are shoes, of course. So these ones, I thought these are rain boots, but yeah, they are of course rain boots, but they are also very good for snow. As you can see, this portion, the outer portion, is rubber, so it makes it waterproof. And let me give you a peek inside. And here again, inside my shoe, I have fleece lining. And I got these boots from 6pm.com. These are from the brand called Tundra, and you can get similar boots for $150 or something like that. They are very expensive, but this one is quite an affordable and cheap option, but very efficient. I've been wearing this for last 1 year, and I don't feel any and I feel like quite cozy in them. So yeah, my first outfit is complete, so let's go and check out the second one. So for the second outfit, I chose this again high neck, you can say inner. This is 100% merino wool, and I got this from Uniqlo. So they have very good 100% merino wool inners, so you can wear it on top of your t-shirt. And then these are again from Uniqlo, the leggings, and they are I think from their Heattech collection, so they keep you quite warm during winters. And now I'll go ahead and wear a puffer jacket. So this one, I got it from Macy's, I think 5 years back, for $80 during their Thanksgiving sale. So yeah, this is what I like. So I would recommend, if you want to buy winter clothes or winter jackets, please buy nude colors, because they go with any color outfit, and like you can choose white, black, brown. These are the ones which go with any outfit. And this is the one which I have. This is a puffer jacket. It's quite warm, so yeah, you can layer it on top of your 100% merino wool t-shirt, and that's it. The next thing which I would like to add is a blanket scarf, and look at it, guys. It's quite long, quite thick, quite warm, and it looks like this. So it protects you, your neck, your face also, if you want, like this. The next thing is again a cap, and this is again a fleece cap. So yeah, these are quite affordable, and these protect your ears from cold air. And last but not the least, again a pair of gloves. So these are not fleece, but these are quite warm. And look at it, guys, it looks so pretty. And the shoes, they are from bearpower.com. These are quite warm. As you can see, they have again fleece lining inside, so it helps insulate your feet and keep them warm during such cold, crazy weather. So yeah, that's how my second outfit looks like. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Plus, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a beautiful day ahead, and until next time, bye bye and have fun.